We do everything on our phones today. Talk to friends, manage finances, look at baby animal pics, watch videos, and even smash the like button. These devices help us with so much of our lives, and now even cryptocurrency, which just a couple years ago was done almost exclusively on computers, has become extremely mobile friendly. There's an endless amount of crypto wallets to choose from, so in this video, I'm going to show you the top 5 mobile crypto wallets. I've sifted through so many bad ones to find the cream of the crop, the creme de la creme. So drop a like if you appreciate all the hard work I put into finding these. Now let's see how many times I can say mobile wallet in 10 minutes. Leave a comment down below with your best guess and let's get right into it. Starting off this list, we have MetaMask Mobile. It's the mobile version of the MetaMask browser wallet. Bet you didn't see that one coming. Which is developed by ConsenSys and is one of the OG wallets created back in 2016. It has grown to be trusted by millions of people and it's one of the most widely used software wallets today. It only works with EVM blockchains like Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, and Avalanche, and can store any tokens or NFTs on those networks. You cannot use it with Solana, Cardano, or Cosmos, for example, because those are not Ethereum compatible. MetaMask Mobile is extremely secure with no known hacks or exploits. Almost all of the hacks you hear about are actually caused by user error. So if you want to learn how to not get hacked, I've linked 2 of my videos down below which will show you how. The code for MetaMask Mobile is totally open source so that you, yes, you there watching the video, can go check out what it's doing yourself. Or maybe leave it to a professionally trained software developer that actually knows what's going on. MetaMask Mobile doesn't have too many useful features, but you have all of the basics like an in-app swap so you can trade one crypto for another, like Ethereum for USDC. I don't recommend using this because they charge a hefty hidden fee, but this is sadly pretty standard for almost every crypto wallet. Someone's got to pay to keep the lights on. MetaMask Mobile also has a dApp browser, which is nice to be able to do some DeFi from within the app. But to be honest, their dApp browser is kinda garbage and difficult to use, so I'd use one of the other mobile wallets on this list that have much better dApp browsers if that's what you need. The main benefit of MetaMask Mobile is it's one of the only major mobile wallets that is compatible with a hardware wallet. Currently, the only hardware wallet that supports MetaMask Mobile is the Keystone, which is a really cool device with a touchscreen for viewing addresses, approving transactions, and even looking at NFTs. The MetaMask Mobile Ledger integration was supposed to launch by the end of 2022, just like Bitcoin was supposed to hit $100,000 by the end of 2021. With all the layoffs MetaMask did, we have no idea when this will be released. So if you want to have the same security and peace of mind as a hardware wallet with all of the user-friendly features of a mobile wallet, MetaMask Mobile with Keystone is your best bet. Link down below if you want to check it out. Next up is Coinbase Wallet. This is developed by Binance. Just kidding, it's developed by Coinbase. I know, real shocker. So this is their self-custody wallet. And just to clarify, this is a completely different thing than the Coinbase exchange, where you can buy, sell, and trade hundreds of different cryptocurrencies. But you can link the 2 together so it's easy to transfer assets back and forth. So if you're looking for that, my link down below will get you $10 of Bitcoin for free. And I also created a beginner's guide on how to use their platform. So anyway, back to Coinbase Wallet. It was released in 2017 by Coinbase, which has been around since 2012, so almost the beginning of crypto itself. Like MetaMask Mobile, it supports the EVM blockchains I mentioned before. In addition, it also supports Bitcoin, Solana, Dogecoin, and Litecoin. Some other useful features are the in-app swap, so you can trade one crypto for another, like Bitcoin to Ethereum, staking for some supported crypto, and the dApp browser, which opens up the world of swapping, earning, and staking, all from within the Coinbase wallet. This is a common feature on other mobile wallets, but I really like Coinbase wallets because it's super easy to use out of the box and there's no copy pasting addresses or any other annoying steps. It's like 2 taps to get up and running. Coinbase wallet is very secure with no known hacks or exploits. Unlike MetaMask Mobile, the code is not open source, so there's no way to check for vulnerabilities yourself, but that also means hackers cannot check for vulnerabilities either. Also, unlike MetaMask Mobile, Coinbase Wallet does not support hardware wallets, which is unfortunately a very common problem for mobile wallets like I mentioned earlier. So overall, Coinbase Wallet is a lot like MetaMask with more supported crypto, but less integrations with dApps. So it just comes down to what you want to do with your crypto. The cool thing is you don't have to choose just one of these. You can actually use everything everywhere all at once by hooking them up to the same seed phrase, and that goes for all the others on this list, except the last one, More on that later. The next one is my personal favorite, and it's the Subscribe wallet. Yeah, all right, that wasn't the cleanest way to get you to subscribe, but it's quick and free. I'll love you forever for it, and you can always change your mind later. Anyway, the next mobile wallet is Trust Wallet, and it is actually developed by Binance for real this time. And again, just like all the other options on this list, this is a self-custody wallet, only under your control. Trust Wallet is completely separate from the Binance exchange. It was created in 2017 and is one of the most popular wallets overall with over 25 million users. This is because of its simplicity to use and its ability to store almost every token and coin imaginable. So whether you want to store Bitcoin, NFTs, or Doge Elon Cum Rocket Coin, it can handle basically everything. Some other useful features are the in-app swap, so you can trade one crypto for another, but just like the others, you will typically get hosed with fees. You're better off swapping on a centralized exchange like Coinbase, check out that tutorial, or a decentralized exchange like Uniswap, where you can swap all from within Trust Wallet. You can use this by using the dApp browser. All you do is paste the dApp URL here, which you can easily find from the Discover tab. There's also an option to buy from within the app, but I would avoid this since, again, they will also absolutely hose you on fees. If you want to learn how to do this without paying a ton in fees, I have lots of tutorials linked down below. It even supports staking all within the app on some assets. Trust Wallet is extremely secure with no known hacks or exploits. The code is totally open source, so the crypto community can vet its security. Trust Wallet does not support any hardware wallets. I get that question a ton in my comments, so I just want to put that to bed. You cannot use it with a Ledger, or a Keystone, or any other hardware wallet. Overall, Trust Wallet is a must-have wallet for any mobile crypto user, beginner all the way through advanced, and its biggest strength is the sheer number of different crypto that you can store with it. This next one is my favorite wallet of all the mobile wallets so far, and it's the Exodus wallet. This is the mobile version of the widely popular Exodus desktop and browser wallet, which has tight integrations between all three so that you can always access your crypto on any platform. Exodus has been around since 2015, making it one of the oldest of any crypto wallet. It has the same beautiful UI across all three and has tons of functionality like in-app swaps, staking, and NFTs. Even the home screen is handy and customizable to show crypto prices, news, tutorials, recent activity, and more. Exodus Wallet is compatible with pretty much all of the major blockchains and tokens, probably the second most behind Trust Wallet. For example, it can store crypto like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and Cardano, and you can even stake those last two in a few taps without ever having to leave the app. You will have to leave the app to actually use dApps, but you can still connect these to Exodus using Wallet Connect. So just like all the rest, there's also features to swap and buy crypto from within the app, but again, I would avoid this since they will absolutely hose you on fees. Just use a DEX or a regular exchange for this. Also, like the others, Exodus Wallet is secure with no known hacks or exploits. The code is not open source, so again, there's no way to check for vulnerabilities yourself, but again, that also means that hackers cannot check for vulnerabilities either. So overall, this is by far my favorite thanks to the stunning UI, useful features, and strong integration with the other Exodus wallets. And just being real, it's the only one that I'm actually excited to look at and use. Link is down below if you want to check it out. The last wallet we have is a bit of a curveball, and it's Ledger Live. Now, I know what you're thinking. Hold up, Adam. That's a hardware wallet, not a mobile wallet. Well, it's actually both. So the Ledger Live app is just a user-friendly front end for the Ledger device. If you've seen any of my videos or scrolled through my channel, you know how big of a fan I am of Ledger. They're the largest hardware wallet manufacturer in the world with over 5 million devices sold. Ledger Live supports the most amount of crypto of any hardware wallet. It's actually impressive given how complex some of these integrations can be. Ledger Live has a very user-friendly UI and tons of functionality like in-app swaps, NFTs, and staking. Now think about that for a sec. You can earn passive income by staking your crypto all from the safety of your hardware wallet. That in itself is incredibly valuable for any crypto investor. Ledger Live is secure with no known hacks or exploits, and its code is open source. But just a heads up, you will need the Ledger Nano X to use with Ledger Live Mobile, but ideally you should be using a hardware wallet anyway, so if that's something that you're interested in, I'll link that down below. You can also use a Ledger Nano S Plus, but that only works for Android. Androids. So either way, it's worth the security and peace of mind. If you do get one and need help setting it up, I have my beginner's setup guide linked down below as well. So Ledger Live is actually my go-to wallet for almost everything I do. If I'm doing anything potentially risky, like token swaps, checking out new dApps, or claiming airdrops, I'll use one of the other wallets on this list hooked up to a different seed phrase. You don't need to commit to just one of these wallets aside from Ledger Live because you need a Ledger device to use it. I have every one of these mobile wallets on my phone hooked up to the same seed phrase so I can tackle any crypto situation thrown at me. And of course, I have my Ledger on a separate seed phrase that's used only for hardware wallets, and I transfer crypto between the two seed phrases. So that's it. Those are the top 5 mobile wallets available today. Let me know if you have any others that you like or how many times I said mobile wallet in this video. Thank you so much for watching. If this helped you, leave a like to help get this useful info out there. Stay safe and I'll catch you in the next one. Take it easy.